This is the blizzard of 2009, December 19th, and we are getting hammered.
Overalls.
Jamesy. Hey, Jamesy. Jange. Jange.
What's that? Daddy, we're gonna go try and sleep a little. Say bye, Daddy. We're gonna go sleep. Bye-bye.
At least 15 inches. People are walking, some cars are moving on Florida, but people are not really getting around.
Look at you. It's a baby Santa.
Our car, I tried to shovel that once, but it's gonna need, not gonna be able to get out unless I do some more work on that.
Hey there. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, 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 ho.
Say hi, James. It's your first blizzard. Come on, Daddy, let's go. Hi, James. Hi. Oh, be nice. Don't grab.
He's got really dark eyes.
Yeah, they are
Olive
dark,
green.
but they're changing. Yeah, they've got lots of colors in them.
Oh yeah, they are really green.